sister?
You from Bangladesh.
Yeah, you're right. How can you guess?
Yes, I know that.
How?
I know that.
What do you do? Are you a student or you have a job? What's your profession?
No. Study, 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 study.
Study. Which
Still
class?
studies.
Which class do you study?
Senior high school. In your country, maybe that's a college.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh,
Yeah.
you know about my country. You have
You know,
any
you
friend
don't know.
from Bangladesh?
No.
Oh, you don't have any friend. But I have so many friends. They are from Philippines.
Okay. So if we're friends now, we're I have a friends in Bangladesh.
Okay, I will
You're
follow
first,
you.
mate.
I follow.
Okay. You, how are you?
I'm good. And who is she? Your
Good.
sister?
Yes, my sister.
Finished your dinner?
Yes.
That's great. What's your favorite food?
A lot.
Can you share with me what type of food you like?
Adobo. You know that Filipino food? Adobo.
Sometime because I have so many friends from Philippines. She told me, but long time we
Adobo.
don't talk each other. I know you're from Philippines. Where in Philippines? Mindanao.
Mindanao.
You're from Mindanao. So
Yes.
you speak English.
And
How you learn English? You speak English. How you learn English?
because we're studying.
Oh,
Yes.
in
In our country we're studying a we have a subject English.
okay. And in your country, you speak English language or Tagalog?
Maybe Tagalog, Bisaya, um, English, a lot of like we're called here in Wika, our Wika. We have a lot of Wika.
What is the difference between Bisaya and Tagalog?
Bisaya, in Mindanao, Bisaya.
Mindanao is a province, I'm right?
Province, yes, but we have a lot of city here. Maybe the city is in Manila, in Luzon,
Manila is your capital.
capital.
Okay, which country do you like to travel in?
A lot, but Canada is one of my favorite.
You told me Canada is your favorite country to visit. Why Canada is your favorite? What is the reason?
No, because the Canada is no one people know me there like that.
You live with your family
So
or alone?
maybe alone. Then after that is I want to all my family is like travel. I want to travel with family.
Love your
Yes.
family. How many members in your family?
Here is a lot.
You have a big family?
Yes.
You like big family or small family? Which one better?
Maybe if it depends on plans me.
I think
Like
it's depend on relationship. I'm right? If relationship is good,
maybe.
it's good for you or everyone.
But if God plan